What will happen if you eat 2 bananas a day? Now, healthy food isn't always tasty, but with regards to bananas, this isn't the case.
Banana.
Did you know that bananas bring a great many benefits to your health? Eating just 2 bananas a day can truly transform your body in a month. Don't miss our little bonus. It can help you look gorgeous every single day without wasting money on cosmetics. 1. You lose weight. Bananas are rich in fiber, which makes you no longer want to eat once consumed. Bananas also contain a kind of starch that reduces your appetite and stops you gaining weight. It reduces the level of sugar in your blood and raises your body's sensitivity to insulin. If your body's cells aren't sensitive to insulin, they can't absorb glucose, and your pancreas begins to produce it in larger quantities. Whether the body accumulates fat depends on the insulin present. Also, weight loss is one of the most effective changes for controlling blood pressure. 2. Arterial pressure returns to normal. The average diet in Western culture delivers too much sodium and too little potassium. In turn, bananas contain very little sodium but a lot of potassium, which is great for your heart health. Eating just 2 bananas a day can reduce high blood pressure and decrease your risk of heart diseases. Also, adding bananas to your diet reduces the risk of death from strokes by 40%. 3. Stress levels falls. It's widely known that bananas can improve your mood. They contain tryptophan, which is required by your body to receive serotonin, also known as the happiness hormone. On average, each banana contains around 27 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium helps your heart, muscles, and immune system function properly. Also, this mineral is responsible for producing a good mood and healthy sleep. As a result, it makes you feel more relaxed and happier. 4. The risk of anemia falls. Anemia causes paleness, tiredness, and breathlessness. It's the result of a reduction in red blood cells and a low level of hemoglobin in the blood. Bananas contain a lot of iron, which stimulates the production of red blood cells. Increasing the red blood cells improves blood flow in your body. Also, bananas contain vitamin B6, which regulates blood glucose levels, helping people with anemia. 5. Digestion improves. Bananas are easily digested and don't irritate the gastrointestinal tract. Resistant starch contained in bananas is not digested and ends up in the large intestine, where it serves as an effective nutritional medium for healthy bacteria. Bananas can be eaten when a person has gastritis, and they restore the minerals lost when a person suffers from diarrhea. Also, bananas are naturally anti-acid, so eating 2 bananas a day can lessen the heartburn symptoms. 6. Your vitamin deficit will be filled up. Bananas are rich in nutrients, vitamins, and natural sugar, such as sucrose and fructose. On average, 1 banana contains around 20% of your daily requirement of vitamin B6. This helps your body produce insulin, hemoglobin, and amino acids that are needed for the creation of healthy cells. Although we usually think that oranges and strawberries contain the greatest amount of vitamin C, bananas contain 15% of our daily norm of this important substance. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals, active molecules with insufficient electrons that can destroy the body's cells. It also helps keep blood vessels healthy and produces collagen. 7. Your energy levels increase. The potassium contained in bananas protects your muscles from cramps, and the carbohydrates provide you with enough energy to endure a heavy workout. It's hard to believe, but the energy you get by eating 2 bananas is enough for a 90-minute workout. Here's the bonus. You can also use bananas as a cosmetic. To make an amazing banana mask, you'll need a banana, the white of 1 egg, the juice of 1 lemon, and olive oil. Mix the banana with the whipped egg white, and then add the lemon juice and a few drops of olive oil. Apply the mask before going to shower so that you can easily wash it off when you get into the tub. This mask relieves chronic fatigue and gives your skin a fresh and healthy look.
Banana.
Now, in the comment below, leave your thoughts on what topics you're interested in and want to see next. And don't forget to hit the like button